Dal here with our guest Dirk, and we're going to evaluate, what do we call this? Scooby-Doo baked graham crackers. So that should be pretty good. If they're baked, there's not going to be much fat in it, 5 and 0.
And they're honey flavored too.
You want to do the honey flavor too, that's a big point.
And I'll break open the box. Get this open. So good. Pretty snack size too,
Yeah.
which I really like. Alright, cheers, Del. Put it in the middle. Gonna be honest, don't taste a lot of honey. If I'm being honest.
Ditto to that lack of honey taste there. But
I mean, it's a solid graham cracker. I like the texture. Yeah. It's really crunchy. What you want. You could dip it in milk too, if you want.
This is probably easier this way. The traditional crackers come in that rectangular
Here, some dipping sauce.
Base.
Oh.
Okay, so we got some.
Oh, is this just frosting?
Buttercream.
Oh. I mean, I guess we'll give it a try. It's kind of a lot, but
yeah.
I'm a big sugar head.
There. That did it. Maybe should I hold this up?
Sure.
What we're doing?
Yeah, the frosting definitely
Betty
elevates
Cracker
the
to the
flavor.
rescue. Yeah. Betty Cracker, of course, is not as healthy as our primary product here, but gotta consider everything.
Nah, you can't go wrong with Betty Crocker.
You know.
And as I said before, another option too you can do is like dip these in milk, kind of like an Oreo, to make it softer if you're not a big crunch person. I mean, I am, so I could just eat these straight up, but you know, it is what it is.
I'm holding off the Betty Crocker from you. Sorry about that.
Yeah, we can share Betty. But overall, on its own, I'll probably have to give it a 6 out of 10.
Well,
where it's a solid graham cracker, and I enjoy eating it, but there's nothing special about it. It's just a graham cracker. Maybe 5.5 actually, because there's no honey taste. I'm giving it 5.5.
we could be watching the game and eating this, right?
Yeah, definitely good. You know, sharing some Betty. But yeah, overall, I would give it a 5.5 out of 10. Del, what would you give it?
About the same, I guess. I'm just happy. It's a good, fun snack.
Yeah.
It's harmless.
Yeah, exactly.
That's another thing.
It's harmless. It's not gonna kill you, but yeah.
Signing off for now.